How to convert PDF to JPG in mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to JPG in mobile. Without further ado, let's get started. So you might have searched for this video because you have a PDF file that you have in yourself, and JPG is basically an image format, so you want to convert your PDF to an image. So what we're going to do is to just open our Safari right here or any browser that you have on your phone. After you have opened a new tab, let's just search for PDF to JPG. So we had a typo, but that's actually PDF to JPG. And we can just click on this first search that came in. So we can use this tool to convert our PDF to the JPG format. So just click on select PDF files. Also, this is the ilovepdf.com site. So just click on the select PDF files option, and this will open your files tab. So I'm just going to click on or select a PDF file right here. Sample this one. Once you have selected your PDF file, you should see this option that says convert to JPG right here at the bottom right corner. Just click on that and the site will automatically convert your PDF to a JPG image. So just click on download JPG images once that has been converted and wait for it to load. And this one should pop up. It says download. Just click on download and click on this arrow down button at the top left corner. Click on downloads right here and click on this zip file. And it should open your files app again. And just click on the zip file and it will open up a folder. Just click on that and you should see all your PDF file converted to an image, and each page is converted to a picture right here. So you can just scroll through that, and if you want to save a JPG image to your camera roll, just click on this arrow up button at the bottom left corner and just click on save image. So that will go to your camera roll. That is how you can basically convert your PDF to JPG in mobile. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.